Let's talk about the ultimate Christmas feast dilemma. Why break the bank with an expensive turkey when a simple roast chicken can be just as delicious and satisfying? It's time to challenge the traditional Christmas bird and embrace the humble chicken as a tasty, affordable alternative. The joy of roast chicken. Growing up, a roast chicken was a staple in my household. It brought a sense of warmth and joy, filling the house with delicious aromas. However, I must admit, the thought of juggling multiple pots and pans was enough to deter me from attempting a roast for years. But here's the secret: you don't need all that fuss. A great roast chicken is about simplicity. It can be the centerpiece of a traditional Christmas meal with all the trimmings, or it can blend seamlessly into a potluck feast, representing various cultures and dietary preferences. And let's not forget, chicken is much easier to cook than turkey, with a lower risk of ending up dry and overcooked. The perfect Christmas roast. Here's a roast chicken recipe that's as easy as it gets. Everything goes into one tray, so there's no need for extra pots and pans. You can even use up those old fruits and veggies that might otherwise go to waste, making it an eco-friendly and budget-friendly choice. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken. Vegetables of your choice: potato, onion, kamara. 1 diced lemon. Fresh or dried herbs. Olive oil. Salt and pepper. Optional for gravy: corn flour, mustard, lemon juice. Method: 1. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius 390 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Dice your veggies and place them in a roasting tray. Drizzle with olive oil, season, and toss. 3. Stuff the chicken with diced lemon and herbs. 4. Rub the chicken with olive oil and season generously. 5. Place the chicken on top of the veggies or on a rack over the tray. 6. Roast for about 1.5 hours, or until the juices run clear when you pierce the thigh. 7. Let the chicken rest for at least 10 minutes. 8. For an easy gravy, heat the roasting tray, add water or stock, corn flour mixed with water, mustard, and lemon. Stir until thickened. The benefits of bone broth. Roast chicken isn't just about the meal itself, it's also about making the most of every part. I'm a firm believer in buying meat on the bone for better flavor, a tip I learned from my Nana's chicken curry. And once you've enjoyed your roast, don't throw out those bones. Use them to make a delicious and nutritious bone broth. Simply add the carcass to a pot of cold water with any leftover veggies or fresh ones you want to use up. Simmer gently or leave it in a slow cooker for a few hours, and you'll have a beautiful stock that freezes well. This homemade broth is a satisfying and cost-effective alternative to store-bought options. Leftovers made delicious. If you're lucky enough to have leftovers, or if you're cooking for a smaller crowd, there are plenty of ways to enjoy your roast chicken beyond Christmas Day. Shred the remaining chicken and mix it with mayonnaise, diced celery, cucumber, lemon zest, and juice for a delicious Boxing Day sandwich. Or, if you're feeling extra lazy, simmer some rice with turmeric and cumin, and serve it alongside the chicken. A relaxed Christmas. As we approach the festive season, let's remember that Christmas doesn't have to be about hours spent in the kitchen. Put a chicken in the oven, and use that extra time to relax, watch a Christmas movie, and enjoy the company of your loved ones. So, are you ready to give roast chicken a chance this Christmas? It's a simple, tasty, and affordable way to celebrate the season. And remember, you can find more cooking inspiration and recipes from Chef Alice Taylor on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, or check out her ebook, Alice Taylor Eats, Cheap and Realistic Recipes. And this is the part most people miss: cooking doesn't have to be complicated or expensive to be delicious. So, let's embrace simplicity and make the most of what we have this Christmas. What's your take on roast chicken versus turkey? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.